Meet Kwame, a man of immense potential, capable of fixing anything and capturing the world through a lens. But having many skills can feel like a curse when you don't know where to apply them. At the end of the day, the weight of untapped talent is heavy. He was exhausted, drifting without a clear destination. The numbers on the screen didn't reflect his hard work. His bank account was as empty as his spirit felt. His daily life was a cycle of disorganized chaos, trapped in a job that demanded everything but gave nothing back. While managers debated in circles, Kwame felt his time slipping away. He was a cog in a broken machine. His list of dreams was becoming a list of failures, crossed out and rewritten with no progress in sight. But one night, the silence spoke louder than the noise of the day. It was time for a change. He began to map out his skills, not as separate hobbies but as parts of a single unified system. He drew lines, connecting the dots. He wasn't just a worker, he was a solution provider. A structure began to emerge. In that moment, the confusion vanished. His eyes sparked with a new kind of fire, the fire of purpose. The transformation started with his mind. He replaced distraction with discipline, learning how to build a business from the ground up. He spent every spare hour studying. He knew that to lead others, he first had to master himself. Small wins began to accumulate. A repaired laptop for a neighbor turned into a recommendation for a local business. He captured the essence of his community through his lens, building a portfolio that couldn't be ignored. The day finally came, the day he stopped working for someone else's dream and started building his own. He walked out of that office building for the last time, not with fear, but with the sun on his face and a vision in his heart. He created his own space, the Solution Hub, a place where clarity and skill meet to solve real problems. Success followed his structure. Clients didn't just buy a service, they bought into his vision and his organization. Kwame is no longer trapped. He is the architect of his own future, standing tall in the world he built. Remember, potential is just a starting point. Direction is the only thing a man needs to begin again. Find yours. If you love this video and want us to gather real-life story like this, then follow, like, and share. Thank you.